I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select a Trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Search and select an action. ConvertKit. Give here the API secret key. So please visit ConvertKit API token. Under the API you can show API secret key. Click on Show and copy the key. And paste it into integrations. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a form. Select tags. Map the respective fields. Under the actions you can update ConvertKit by checking the box. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Now go to ConvertKit site. And you can see the data came successfully in the ConvertKit. Thanks for watching.